Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install Eclipse IDE in local system. Then see, before installation of Eclipse, you must know to install the Java 17. Then already we have created the Java 17 video. Then how to check Java 17 is installed or not? You can simply open your any disk. Any disk you can open in your local. Just type cmd there and use Java hyphen version. And once you are able to see like there is Java version installed already, like in my local there is available Java 17 installed, right? Then definitely you can go ahead with the installation of Eclipse. If you don't have Java, then please install Java and then you can go ahead with the Eclipse. For Eclipse installation perspective, we'll simply come up with the Chrome browser and type here Eclipse download. Then once we are coming here, this is the official web page from Eclipse organization. We are just going to download the Eclipse here. Then simply come down here and just here is option available, install your favorite desktop ID packages, right? Then just click on download and use here as per your operating system. I'm just using here 8664 and then simply click on download. It will start with the download actually Eclipse. It will take some time. It will be depends on your internet connection, right? For download the software. Then one more time I'm saying here, before going out of the Eclipse installation, you must need to install Java any version and then you can go to the Eclipse. And once Eclipse is downloaded here, then definitely we are going to choose here the second number option, Eclipse for Java 2 Enterprise Edition, because we are going to create the web-based application there. Okay, then everything I will give from scratch and we are going to create the at least one hello world application as well. Then see, Eclipse is downloaded successfully. Now we'll simply go ahead and show in folder. Simply click on that. Mostly it will goes to download folder actually, and once it coming here, then you can next step you can simply double click on that. Once you are going to double click, it will start with the installation process. Yes, once it goes to open the next window, we are just going to select here Eclipse for Java 2 EE developer. It means for web developer, because we are going to create the web based application. See one screen here, I am selecting, this is the second number option, I am selecting Eclipse IDE for enterprise and Java web developer. Then simply click on install. Then see for installation, now you can simply click on accept now. For installation it will take at least 5 minutes, because in internal it's creating some packages as well, right? Then we need to wait to get it done actually. And here like everything you are able to see on screen, this is open source software actually, you not need to pay any single thing for that. Java 21 plus VM installation folder also available, you are able to see there, right? Yes, but anyway in my local I am using Java 17. Then I will go ahead with the Java 17 itself. Once it install, then I will show you how to create the project, how to create the packages. Then in that we are going to create the Java class as well. Like this is just like hello world activities we are trying to perform here. Okay, because this is new laptop, I am just trying to install all the software and going to record for each software session how to get it installed. Then if you want some of additional softwares as well, if you are facing some difficulties, you can feel free to add your comments in comment section. Like this video we are not going to cut anyway, because everything you will be able to see from scratch itself. Then we have some time available. Then meanwhile I will just like highlight some Java features. See, Java, it is a high level object oriented programming language, comes in 1991 by James Gosling. Initially they given the name as Oak, but in 1995 James realized this is already registered trademark of Oak technology. That's why they renamed Oak as a Java in 1995. And the symbol is they given the coffee cup, right? We are seeing India runs on chai. Okay. Then what are the features in Java? The first feature, Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is very secure. Java is object oriented. Java is simple. Java is multi-threading programming language. Java is dynamic. Java is robust, strong in architecture as well. And Java application always give us the high performance. If you are going to work on Java, then definitely Java application always give us the high performance. And Java, we have available number of frameworks. Like you can simply consider there is available Spring MVC, Data JPA, Spring Boot. Then again, if you are using microservice based architecture, right? More than one Spring Boot module, like two or more Spring Boot module, they are going to communicate with each other. That's called we are going to consider as a microservice as well. Then definitely in this channel you will get lot of learning curve related to Spring Boot and somehow advanced level of microservices. Then I am planning to create such a project sessions as well. Those who are like freshers, you can simply, I will recommend you can simply start to learn from playlist actually. Yeah. And if you are facing any difficulties that time, simply add your comments in comment section. See this Eclipse, it's taking like so much time. Same happen with you as well. It will take some time. Be patient for that actually. Yeah. Till like we are able to see 50% it install here, right? Yes. Then once Eclipse installation is done, next session I will go ahead with the IntelliJ as well. Those who are using IntelliJ, they can simply follow the IntelliJ also. Like IntelliJ have somehow additional features also available there. Okay. For if you are doing only core Java, then I will recommend you can go to the Eclipse. But if you are working with the Spring Boot and real-time projects, then I will recommend you can simply go to the IntelliJ IDEA. See, we are just waiting to get it installed. Once installation step is like installation is done, then we'll go ahead and create the application here. This will be like first dynamic web based application we are going to create, and in that we are going to follow some solid principle as well. Mm. Eclipse installation always taking some time here. We need to wait to get it done. Then meanwhile, I will show our YouTube channel as well. If you are going to follow that, that will be great for you. See on screen. Here I'm just going to open like this will be, you can simply say full stack Java developer YouTube channel. Okay. Once we are going to hit here full stack Java developer YouTube channel, you will be able to see our channel directly there. Okay. Yeah. See, this is our channel only. You can simply come up with the playlist, and I already created the playlist here for this is, you can simply say from core Java, and I will continue with this session like till project actually like core Java, then J2W like JSP Servlet MySQL, then we'll come up with the like Hibernate, then Spring Core, Spring MVC, then Spring Boot with Data JPA, then whatever tools available there, Spring Boot, Apache Kafka, Docker, Kubernetes, Postman, Swagger, everything we are going to cover up within that playlist. And then we'll come up with the microservices and then front end as React.js. And at the end, you will be able to learn the projects as well from this channel. Okay. Yeah. Till like our Eclipse, it's in installations in process actually. We need to wait to get it done. Whenever you are doing installation, the meanwhile you can use your time for another learning as well. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Because I don't want to cut the session. That's why I'm just showing everything from scratch itself. Yeah. And one more thing, day to day, like I will try from my side to add some post as well. The post also you can simply follow here. Also you will get some learning curve actually. Suppose like we are adding the post like which project excites you the most as a full stack Java developer, then definitely the my real choice actually like banking project mostly, right? Yeah, and almost this is truth. Mostly like people also like those who are working and those who are freshers, they're also choosing here such a banking projects actually, and somehow those are like trading, healthcare and retail as well, right? Yeah, like those are the top domains we are going to consider there. Fine. Even like which you have dream company to work in tech world, definitely you are able to see number of things there, right? Even not only such a activities, but other than that learning perspective also you are able to see lots of scenarios there actually. Okay. Then day to day I will add some here post as well for your learning perspective. Okay. Even what is the latest version of Java, the today's date is 9th of April. The latest version we have available 24, but in September 25, like Oracle already announced that In September 25, Java 25 also coming soon. Definitely, it's a lots of learning curve. Like you will be able to see on our YouTube channel here. Then to those who haven't like subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the channel to get more updates for more learning curve actually. Okay. Yeah, Eclipse still taking some time. We need to wait again to get it done. Yeah. Perfect. It's oh, here is launch. Now simply click on launch. You will be able to see the year of 2025, right? And this is the latest version of Eclipse we are going to install here. And this is the first time I'm going to create here like a project from scratch on fresh setup. Okay, then I will recommend don't use the C drive directly. You can simply go to browse and you can simply select the D drive there. If you're checking my local laptop, sorry, this laptop, you will be able to see this is empty D drive. It means everything I am doing from scratch. Simply select the D drive and there select folder. Now there is not available development folder. I will show you how to create the folder. Either you can use Ctrl Shift N to create the folder, or otherwise simply select the folder and then you here you can simply type development. I want to create the folder name as development, and always I am going to use this default folder. Then we are not going to ask again it. Okay, simply click on launch. See one screen. It will goes to open our folder like D drive, and there is available development folder. It will choose the default workspace path as a D drive and development folder. Perfect. See one screen. Here is it. Now simply close this welcome file and simply come up with the file new dynamic web project. See, always check you are able to see the dynamic web project or not. Why dynamic web project? Because upcoming sessions, right? Upcoming sessions, definitely we are going to learn the web-based applications. That's why always we are choosing file new and then dynamic web project. And the application name I am giving here application name as you can simply consider this is core Java. Now simply click on finish. See, our application also created successfully. Now you can simply come up with the src main Java. Click on core Java here. There is available Java resources src main Java. Now simply right click on that, go to the new package, and I'm creating the package name as com. It means OS level core level package. Full stack it means our company name, and core it means we are learning the core Java. But if you are working with the Infosys, then you can simply say com.infosys.bankofamerica.home loan, whatever your project package, all letters must be lowercase. Then here we are learning, that's why I'm giving com. Then full stack is our company name, and core it means we are learning the core Java. Simply click on finish. See, our package also created successfully. Now simply right click new Java class, and the Java class name I'm giving here, this is welcome. Yeah, if you want hello world, I will create the hello world. Yes, always we'll start with the hello world first, then simply click on finish. Once you click on finish, Java class goes to create actually. Then inside that we are just trying to add main method. Then we need to use here control space, right? Every time actually control space. Then I will recommend you can simply follow some steps and get it auto generated. For that perspective, first thing simply goes to Windows. There is available preferences. Here you will be able to see Java, right? And inside that there is available editor. Inside editor you will be able to see content asset. Click on that and there is available auto activation trigger for Java dot available. Type A to Z, ABCD. Perfect. I added here A to Z. Then click on apply, apply and close. Now simply create the main method. See, it auto trigger directly, right? Yeah, this is excellent feature available in Eclipse as well. Now I want to get the size increase here, font size. For that perspective, goes to Windows preferences. Here you will be able to see the general first option. Now goes to appearances, colors and font. Then come up with the basic. There is available. You can simply say text font. Double click on that and just select here font. I am selecting here 14. Just click on OK. Then apply, apply and close. And now you will be able to see here like this increase font as well. And I just want to create here sysout system.out.println, and I'm just going to print here welcome to full stack Java developer Pune. Welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Pune. Such a way, we done with our hello world option. Now simply try right click here, run as Java application. We are expecting output. Welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Pune. Then I don't want to create this session more complex. That will be fine. Like we just install here Eclipse and we have created the hello world option and successfully we are able to run the hello world application. Then this series I will create like lot of sessions how to install those full stack software. From we have started with the GTK 17, Eclipse, then IntelliJ, MySQL, SQL Workbench, and so on, right? Then simply follow this playlist as well if you are facing any difficulties to install the software. And thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.